Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zari. Adhyay 19, OV 111. कासवी नदीचे ऐल काठी, तिची पिल्ले पैलतटी, ना दूध ना उब केवळ दृष्टी, देई पुष्टी बाळका. The female tortoise is on one bank of the river. Her young ones are on the other bank. They get neither milk nor warmth, only her glances give nourishment to them. पिलिया सदा आईचे ध्यान, न लगे काहीच करणे आन, न लगे दुग्ध ना चारा ना अन्न, माता निरीक्षण पोषण त्या. The young ones always think only of their mother. They don't need to do anything else. They don't need milk, nor do they need food. The mother, beholding them attentively, is their only nourishment. हे जे निरीक्षण कर्मदृष्टी, ही तो प्रत्यक्ष अमृतवृष्टी, पिलिया लाधे स्वानंद पुष्टी, ऐक्यसृष्टी गुरुशिष्या. This caring, through just looking by the mother tortoise, is actually like the showering of nectar. The young ones get happiness and they flourish. Similar is the case of the Guru and the disciple. होता हा साई मुखे उच्चार, थांबला आरतीचा गजर, श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु जय जयकार, केला पुकार सकळांनी. As these words of Sai were uttered, the loud singing of the Aarti ended, and all shouted, Shri Satchidananda Sadguru ki Jai, Jaikar. सरला निरांजनोपचार, सरली आरती सविस्तर, जोग मग अर्पिता खडी साखर, बाबा करपंचर पसरिती. The Niranjan, that is lamp, which was being waved, and all the other formalities were over. The full-fledged aarti was completed. Then Zog offered lump sugar to Baba, and Baba opened his palm to receive it. तयात नित्यक्रमानुसार, खडी साखर ती ओंजळ भर, घालिती जोग प्रेम पुरस्सर, नमस्कार पूर्वक. Zog lovingly put a handful of lump sugar in Baba's palm, in keeping with the custom, and did obeisance to him. ती सबंध शर्करा माझे हाती, बाबा रिचविती आणि वदती, या साखरे वाणी होईल स्थिती, ठेविता चित्ती ही गोष्ट. Baba put the entire handful of lump sugar in my hands and said, Your state of mind will be like this sugar if you remember this story. तैसी खडी साखर ही गोड, तैसेच पुरेल मनीचे कोड, होईल तुझे कल्याण चोखड, पुरेल होड अंतरीची. Just as this lump of sugar is sweet, similarly, your cravings will be satisfied, you will truly prosper, and your heart's desire will be fulfilled. मग मी बाबास अभिवंदोन, मागितले हेची कृपादान, हेची पुरे मज आशीर्वचन, सांभाळून घ्या मज. Then I paid my respects to Baba and said, Your blessings are enough for me. Only grant me this favor. Take care of me. बाबा वदती कथा श्रवण, करा मनन आणि निधिध्यासन, होईल स्मरण आणि ध्यान, आनंद घन प्रकटेल. Baba said, Listen to the story, repeat it, recite it always, remember it and concentrate, so that the essence of happiness will appear. येणे परी जे परिसिले कानी, ते जरी तू धरिसील मनी, उघडेल निज कल्याणाची खनी, होईल धुनी पापाची. If you keep in mind whatever you have heard, the mine of your welfare will be opened, and your sins will be washed away.